Today's lesson, the measures of variation, looking at the range. The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest or the greatest and least numbers in a data set. Step 1, find the highest and the lowest numbers. Step 2, subtract them. So in this case, our two numbers are 86 for the high and 61 for the low. When we subtract them, our range is 25. Number of candy bars sold by each team member. Again, identify the smallest and the largest number. The smallest is 15. The largest is 60. Subtract the two numbers. 60 minus 15 is 45, so the range between these two numbers is 45. Minutes spent on homework each day of the week. Again, find the largest and the smallest number. The smallest number is 21, where the largest number is 62. Subtract the two numbers and get 41 for your range. 6 more problems to complete on your own, then take a picture and submit the completed assignment in Schoology.